Hi friends, welcome to Gizbot YouTube channel. I'm Abhinaya and we are going to talk about a new smartphone that has been launched in India today. Well, Realme has launched the Realme 9i 5G smartphone in the mid-range market segment, and let's take a look at the unboxing and first impressions of this smartphone in this video. Now this is the package of the Realme 9i 5G, and you can see that it is in the typical Realme packaging that we have seen in previous phones. Now we can see that we have the metallic gold color variant, and it is the 6GB and 128GB variant that we've gotten for the review. The package also mentions a few details of the smartphone, such as its processor and battery, and also the screen refresh rate. Now let's unbox it to know what else this smartphone has. As you can see, we have the back case that we can snap onto the smartphone for protection, and we have some usual paperwork, and we also have the SIM ejector tool. Now here's the Realme 9i 5G in the metallic gold color variant, and also we have the fast charging adapter with 18 watts of fast charging support, and we have the USB Type-C charging cable. Now this smartphone has a metallic gold finish, but it is made from the recycled CDs, but it is quite fingerprint attractive as we see here, and we have a noticeable camera bump as well. Now talking about the design, we have the headphone jack over here, and we have the USB Type-C port and the speaker grills. Also we have the fingerprint sensor embedded in the power button at the right edge, and we have the volume controls and the SIM tray at the left. The screen is a 6.6-inch Full HD LCD panel, and it has a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, which is an 8-megapixel sensor. The screen has a refresh rate of 90 Hz, which is quite smooth. And this smartphone runs on Android 12, which is topped with the Realme UI, which comes with some bloatware, but most of it will be quite useful. Going on to the hardware specifications, the Realme 9i 5G comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage in this variant, and it supports up to 5GB of additional RAM as well. The device runs on the octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, which is paired with a 5000 mAh battery that comes with 18-watt fast charging. Also, there are some useful features such as the super power saving mode that lets you use the smartphone for 30 minutes even when the charge is pretty low. Now moving on to the camera, the Realme 9i 5G comes with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, and it has some useful camera features such as the text scanner, time-lapse, slow-mo video, and ultra macro shots as well. Now there are auxiliary 2-megapixel and 2-megapixel depth and 2-megapixel macro sensors on this smartphone. Thanks for watching the video of the Realme 9i 5G. Do stay tuned to our Gizbot YouTube channel for more videos on gadgets. Also, do subscribe our channel.